Out in the cold, swirling depths of the outer solar system looms a giant. It is not a star, yet it shines in its own way, through gravity, through radiation, and through an invisible force field unlike anything else in our planetary neighborhood. This is Jupiter, the largest of all the planets, a massive world of storms and swirling gases, and home to one of the most powerful magnetic fields in the entire solar system. But this is not just a planetary curiosity. Jupiter's magnetic field is a colossal, active structure that not only defines the space environment around the gas giant, it plays a role in shaping the broader architecture of the solar system itself. It traps radiation, sculpts space weather, protects its moons, and may even serve as a cosmic shield, influencing the trajectory of deadly space debris. It is not merely a planetary feature. It is a force of order in a chaotic system. This is the story of Jupiter's magnetic field, an unseen, swirling titan that helps guard the outer reaches of our solar system and teaches us what it means to be a protector on a planetary scale. Jupiter's magnetic field is the largest and most intense of any planet in the solar system. If it were visible to the naked eye, it would be larger than the full moon in our sky, stretching millions of kilometers into space. An invisible magnetosphere so vast it could swallow the sun and still have room to spare. The source of this immense power lies deep within Jupiter's core. While Earth's magnetic field is powered by the movement of molten iron, Jupiter's is generated by metallic hydrogen, a rare and exotic form of hydrogen found only under the crushing pressures of the gas giant's immense gravity. Inside Jupiter, hydrogen behaves like a liquid metal, conducting electricity as it churns in vast convective currents. This dynamo effect creates a magnetic field 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. That strength shapes space itself. The field traps charged particles, forming deadly radiation belts around the planet. It warps the solar wind, creating a magnetosphere that flares out on the sunward side and stretches into a long magnetic tail reaching past Saturn's orbit. Jupiter's magnetic field is more than a planetary feature. It's a self-contained space weather system, pulsing with radio waves, energized by volcanic moons, and defined by forces beyond human scale. Jupiter's magnetosphere is the largest coherent structure in the solar system, aside from the Sun's own heliosphere. It begins where the solar wind meets Jupiter's magnetic force, some 3 to 7 million kilometers from the planet, and extends outward in a magnetotail over 600 million kilometers long. This magnetosphere isn't just massive, it's dynamic. Like Earth's, it captures and accelerates particles, creating intense radiation zones. But while Earth's belts are modest in scale, Jupiter's are lethal. A spacecraft passing through them unshielded would be destroyed within hours. Within the magnetosphere, electrons and ions spiral along magnetic field lines, producing powerful radio emissions that can be detected from Earth. These emissions form part of Jupiter's complex, active space weather system, one that constantly interacts with its dozens of moons. In this environment, the magnetic field is not just protective, it's generative. It creates auroras at Jupiter's poles, many times more powerful than those on Earth, driven not only by solar wind, but by internal processes, including the rotation of the planet itself and the activity of its volcanic moon, Io. Perhaps the most astonishing aspect of Jupiter's magnetic field is how intimately it is tied to one of its moons, Io, the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Io's volcanoes constantly erupt, ejecting vast amounts of sulfur and oxygen into space. These particles become ionized and are captured by Jupiter's magnetic field, forming a toroidal plasma ring, a donut of charged particles that orbits the planet. As Jupiter rotates, once every 10 hours, far faster than Earth, its magnetic field sweeps through this plasma, accelerating particles to enormous energies and creating intense radiation zones. The result is a magnetic environment driven not just by solar wind, but by the interaction between a planet and its moon, a magnetic dance of fire and gas, of orbit and eruption. This system is so energetic that it powers massive auroras on Jupiter, even when the solar wind is weak. It also generates currents that link Io directly to Jupiter's atmosphere, creating hotspots and pulses of energy observable by space telescopes. Jupiter's magnetic field doesn't just shape its own environment, it helps protect its entire family of moons. These include not only Io, but also Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, worlds that may harbor subsurface oceans and the ingredients for life. By forming a vast magnetic shield, Jupiter reduces the intensity of solar wind that reaches these moons, shielding them from radiation that could otherwise strip away their atmospheres or damage potential biospheres. Yet, the field also presents dangers. Any mission to Europa or Ganymede must contend with Jupiter's intense radiation belts. Robotic explorers require heavy shielding and careful navigation to survive the journey. Still, in a broader cosmic sense, Jupiter's field and its gravitational might may serve as a protector of the inner solar system as well. Some scientists theorize that Jupiter's immense magnetic field and gravity act as a kind of planetary shield for the inner solar system, including Earth. Its massive size allows it to deflect or capture asteroids and comets that might otherwise strike the terrestrial planets. And its magnetic field may help stabilize the heliosphere, the bubble of solar wind that shields the entire solar system from galactic radiation. While not a flawless protector, Earth has seen its share of impacts. Jupiter's presence has likely reduced the frequency of catastrophic collisions over geological time. Its magnetic field, in concert with gravity, forms part of a planetary system that shapes not just its own destiny, but possibly the safety of life much farther away. Our understanding of Jupiter's magnetic field has grown with every mission that's dared to enter its domain. Pioneer and Voyager first measured the vastness of the magnetosphere. Galileo revealed the complexity of its moons. More recently, NASA's Juno mission, launched in 2011, has orbited closer to Jupiter's poles than any craft before, mapping the magnetic field in astonishing detail. Juno discovered that Jupiter's magnetic field is not symmetric. Unlike Earth's dipole field, it is offset and twisted with intense localized regions. It revealed magnetic storms, field reversals, and new radiation zones, all of which challenged existing models and deepened the mystery. These discoveries don't just teach us about Jupiter, they offer clues to how magnetic fields work on exoplanets, stars, and even neutron stars. They help us understand the physics that may govern magnetic environments throughout the galaxy. Jupiter's magnetic field is a force of nature on a scale difficult to comprehend. It is invisible, yet all-encompassing, lethal, yet protective, chaotic, yet ordered. It shapes the destiny of its moons, sculpts its atmosphere, and whispers across the vastness of space in radio waves and auroral light. It is not a passive feature. It is a dynamic, evolving phenomenon, a living presence that links planet to moon, space to surface, and matter to energy. As we continue to explore the gas giant, we are reminded that Jupiter is not just a planet. It is a system unto itself, a magnetic empire whose influence extends across millions of kilometers in billions of years. And in that magnetic field, we find more than science. We find power, protection, and perhaps just a glimpse of the forces that have made our solar system a place where life could begin.